I am Francesco Bombardi. I'm a designer and I am one of the professionals being involved in the initiatives and activities of Binario Quarantanove, involved by Claudio Meglioli. And we have been making some activities in the last years about involving people from the neighbors to design or imagine the future of this place, which is a strategic area in the city, very much close by the railway and from the street and behind myself. And how to involve people in designing the space? Actually, the idea was to make some workshops. So being active and making some activities which was site-specific and preparing tools just to help the participation of people from the city, and involving also professionals with many different competences. And we have been starting with the project of Bottega di Quartiere, trying to design the block between Via Turri and Via Paradisi. And we have been building a big model on scale, just to be able to design and to make some different proposition by hands, by adding stuff and pieces in the big model representing the real area. And then we have been working with maps, just making some exploration of the area, try to listen to the place and listen to the vocation, opportunities and critical stuff of the area. And ending up with a big event that we called the Wrapping Day, where we have been covering the area of the underbridge with a big white cardboard, and we have been asking people to physically design their idea on the space, and that was a very important activity that was giving us the possibility to collect in one day many information to redesign a sort of a layout that we have been presenting to the City Council, as to be able to give to this place a new possibility, a new opportunity of becoming a place for collecting people, for hosting performances and new activities, which was something for sure better than the place that we have been taking, which was a very dirty and smelly space with broken cars. And so that was an initiative just to propose this area, which is a very strategic area, to become something different from what it is. And the challenge is very important, and so we are happy to participate to the festival, just to take people and to keep working on this place, collecting new ideas and new competence and new point of view, just to be able to leave to this place and to the city a sort of archive of values and ideas and tools to be applied.